Hey guys, it's Jessica and I am back with a super duper short video today. I just wanted to show you a little of what I've been working on lately. I just had a craft show this past weekend, so I have been really busy getting ready for that. But now that it's over, I can breathe a sigh of relief and kind of get back to my normal life. But here is a quick look at my setup for the booth that I did this weekend. It was at a brewery in one of the towns nearby where I live. So they were doing an event for a beer release, and they invited me to participate in their craft fair at a craft beer release event. So these are some of the items that I had been working on leading up to the craft fair. So they are stemless wine glasses with vinyl decor on them, and I did also make some tumblers as well. I worked on some packaging ideas and kind of played around a lot with different ways to market these and different things that I wanted them to say. I was pretty happy with the way that they turned out. I thought they were super duper cute. And here's a look at the little bags that I got to put them in for the craft show. I got them at Michael's and I got them for a steal, which is always nice. And here's a look at one of the tumblers that I made. Since it was at a brewery, I did do some more like alcohol related themes, more so than I normally probably would have, but I thought they turned out pretty cute. There's a look at another tumbler for you there. So I have been working like crazy on those new designs, and I did sell a lot of my cards as well. I did really well at the craft show, which is awesome because sometimes it doesn't go that well. And I had a really good time. So here's just an example of some product photography that I have been working on. And I think what I'm going to do, you guys, is I'm actually going to make a video on kind of what my craft fair experience is like, and maybe some tips and tricks on what you guys can do if you are looking to participate. So look for that video in the next few days, hopefully. And if you have any suggestions or anything like that, be sure to let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to my channel for more videos in the future. And as always, thanks so much for watching and have a great day.